Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay, and in today's video I am collabing with Miss Kimberly Davis at Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis for the Show Some Love tablescape for Valentine's Day. And if you'd like to see how I put this together, keep watching. Okay guys, so my color of choice, as you can see, is red, and I thought it was such a beautiful red, and it just really fits this gold and white scheme here with a touch of silver in it. So let's get started. As you can see, my centerpiece are these beautiful red roses. And again guys, I've shopped my home. I didn't buy anything too extravagant for this. These little red hearts I bought from Dollar Tree. These flowers, which you saw me haul in another video, were from Dollar Tree and from Old Time Pottery. These votives, which I already had these tea lights from Dollar Tree, and I put that bling wrap on them. And all I did, guys, was just set them on top of these pillars here with a red candle from Dollar Tree as well. And all I did was set it on top, because this is just temporary, so it doesn't have to be affixed on to the thing, and I can go back to my regular decor afterwards. I also had these knobs left over, so I just kind of placed them so for a little decoration as well. So again, here's the smaller of the tea lights. And the candle holder goes right on top. Let's bring this into view as well. Bring that closer. On top. And there it is, guys, for my centerpiece. So let's lay, I have two already put together back there. I didn't think you guys wanted to see me do the entire table, so here we are. Placing down the placemat. Then I'm going to place the glass. And then on this side, we'll do the same. Place down the placemat. Next, we'll place a charger, gold charger from Dollar Tree. Again, very simple, guys. Nothing too extravagant. Didn't break the bank on any of this. Place it. They both look stunning. I love it just the way it is, but we're going to go further. Again, these lovely white plates with the gold rim from Dollar Tree is the next set. Same here. Now this piece here is actually from my buffet. They're the plates that go on my tiered buffet that I have, and I thought they were pretty because they match the cake stand over here that I have for a centerpiece. So I thought they were really pretty and to be added into the space. into the scape. And here's the other one. And again, I could stop there and it's just gorgeous, but I chose red. And so for my pop of red are these little salad plates or dessert plates, if you, whatever, which one. Just gives it that splash of color. Here, we'll do the same here. I think that just elevates it for this tablescape and makes it cohesive with the roses and my color scheme of red as a splash of color. And again, to top it off, these are the napkin rings I already have with the napkins and napkin rings, and they're both, I think, from Ross. And again, this over here. And let's place the glass. And you guys, that is it for this tablescape. I hope you enjoyed me putting this tablescape together. And we were also asked of 3 things that we love. And the 3 things that I love are myself, God, and my family. Those are the 3 things that I love the most. And I say myself first because if I can't love myself first, how can I love someone else or something else? I must love myself in the correct manner of which God intended me to love myself. So that's why I say I love myself first. Then God in all His glory. Because without God, I am not the person that I am meant to be. And then my family, because they bring me joy and happiness. And I truly love them with all my heart and soul. And I love you guys as well. So I guess that's the 4th thing for watching my videos, following me on this journey as I heal from my son's passing and my mother's passing a few months later. Well, just in January. And my son passed away in September. So I want to thank you for coming along with me on this journey. I hope you find love or continue to enjoy the love you already have. And be thankful, be grateful. And God bless you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos because they help my channel tremendously. And again, you enjoy. Absolutely. We love you. Have a great day.